Hi, I'm Johan Magnusson with Alfresco Grills, and I'm here today to share with you Alfresco's amazing drop-in griddle insert. The Alfresco Griddle Insert allows you the freedom to cook on a flat griddle at the same time as you're grilling up other things on your grill. So let's first talk about how to get started with your griddle. Be sure that your grill is cooled down before removing the grate and nesting your griddle into place. Note that it is not necessary nor recommended to remove the briquette tray, as the briquette system is designed to evenly distribute heat under the accessory. Griddles are incredibly versatile, and the main benefit being the large flat cooking surface. This allows for more food to be cooked at once compared to other pans, as well as evenly distributing heat over the surface without grates for food to fall into. This makes the griddle especially useful for cooking food that is to be served in batches, such as pancakes, burgers, flatbread, tortillas, etc. It can also be used for eggs, vegetables, basically anything you can cook in a pan, you can cook here. Use it alongside with your main grill as you sear steaks and keep side dishes sizzling on the griddle, melt cheese on top of your burger patties. You can do a lot of different things with a griddle. Many longtime griddle chefs pick up the habit of keeping their oil in a plastic squeeze bottle so as to pinpoint where they want to put it without making a mess of the griddle surface. This is a great idea to utilize in your own backyard kitchen as well. Unlike many other Alfresco products, you don't want to wait until your griddle has cooled down to clean it. Just make sure that it's cooled down before you remove it. So while the griddle is hot, use a flat spatula to scrape off excess food and debris, and make sure that the flat edge of the spatula is flat against the surface so you don't scratch your stainless steel. Make sure that the griddle is still hot and pour water, or water with a drop of dish soap if it's particularly stubborn debris, over the griddle surface. Let the water boil to loosen the buildup, then set a folded paper towel on the wet griddle, using the flat metal spatula on the paper towel to scrub back and forth and remove the dirty water and debris. Repeat if needed. So I hope these details will really help you get up to speed quickly with using your Alfresco drop-in griddle. I'm Johan Magnusson for Alfresco Open Air Culinary Systems. Happy grilling!